Shillong kesengi ke bansak kenmau ya kejala barak kuai bakal lak ban pekelas pak ya kejabok jabany ya ñuit lengba ke project refuse derived fuel or waste to fuel plant ya kini project la pelipat ba akannya trik jemang hal Jakarta ñuit Tura municipal board kebadan harongkon songgitila West Garo Hills district menteri rang ba kejala kongrat ke sang mau la pelipat ba ya kini ke project hak jing don lang ambassador yang South Korea sa India Uchangje Bok. Kani ke project kedai ke benengkong ha India ke balwan rak da company South Korea ke bal tip kum ka Chamhana GW. Haga jingi trelang bat ke Sarkar Meghalaya ba ke Tura Municipal Board. Kani ke project ke bal sedang hatura kalong kum ke persang. Malengba kani ke project anlum anlang ya barok ke ñuit hasor ba Tura bat ke Syillong ba marjan ban pynkylla ya ke ñuit sa rnga haga jaka jong u dawyong. Menteri Rang Bak Kejala uloong bala job kani ke projek hatura kani ke juk kebut an pentreka mah jaka babon kajeng pemi ñuit ke mah Shillong bat kewei kisor ha jela.
I think will be a very memorable day for not just the people of Tura but I should say even for the state as a whole and maybe even the region and the country as a whole. The reason I am saying this is because what we are doing here today is something that's really a step towards converting waste to energy, a process that can completely redefine the way we look at waste. And I'll speak more about that, but before I go into that, I must from the bottom of my heart must thank His Excellency, our Honorable Ambassador, for having come here today to Tura. I think I was telling him that very few people come to Tura. Most people go to Shillong and Tura is always left out. But you have made that an exception that before going to Shillong you came to Tura. We need to see whether that technology will actually work for us. Because it may work somewhere else, but if it doesn't work for us, it's as good as, it's useless. So therefore, affordability and adaptability and utility of technology is what defines technology in terms of its relevance to the problem and to the people and the region and the area that we're talking about. So when I saw this technology that's being implemented on video, of course, I could immediately connect and say that it looks like this is going to be doable. So this has just come out of the machine just now, and what I've been told is that so this has basically been now mixed. This is Tura garbage made by all of us, and normally it would lie in the fields behind these screens, but I hope, and I'm very sure, I'm told that it is burning. This is an energy block converted out of the waste that people of Tura produce.
This is my very first visit to Meghalaya. I'm very happy to see this win-win project from the technology developed by Korean SME and the Meghalaya state government. So I think this shows future of the government projects and cooperating together between Korean and Indian people and Korean and Indian companies. So through this, as the Chief Minister said at the inaugural ceremony, this is just the beginning of the process. And through this project, you are going to have the whole range of the garbage management, and then it will lead to the well-being and prosperity of the happiness of the Meghalaya people. And our embassy in New Delhi will make our efforts to further develop this kind of mutually beneficial project and cooperation.